Hi students, welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to learn exercise 2.8, 7th question. What is the question? Find the sum of the geometric series 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus etc. plus 1536. From the series, first you have to write what is given. Given series what first? 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus etc. plus 1536. Okay. From here, what's the value of A? A is 3. R is T2 by T1, that is 6 by 3, that is 2. Yes. Then what about this 1536? 1536. Is it Sn term? No. This is not Sn. Listen students, this is nth term of the series. 1536 is nth term of the series. That is, we can take this one Tn equal to 1536. What they asked to find? Find the sum of geometric series. What's the formula for finding the sum of geometric series? Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1, because here R is greater than 1. Okay. Okay, Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1. A value we know, R value also you know, but n value we don't know. Clear? In this series we don't know the value of n. But we need the value of n for finding the sum. Right? In this geometric series, we don't have any direct formula for find the value n. Okay? But we can find how. If they given Tn value, what's the formula for Tn of geometric series? Nth term of a geometric series is Tn equal to A into R power n minus 1. Clear? This value we can apply all this value. In this formula we can apply all this value and find n. Then you apply Sn formula. Clear? Now Tn equal to A into R power n minus 1. So apply the values, all the values you apply here. The value of A is 3. 3 into. The value of R is 2. 2 power. N value we don't know. N minus 1. Totally that is A into R power n minus 1 equal to Tn. That value is 1536. Okay. Now you have to, unknown value is only n. You have to find that. Now say 2 power n minus 1 equal to 1536. This 3 you have to take that side divided by 3. Do you understand? Now 2 power n minus 1 equal to 1536 divided by 3. Now this number is divisible by 3 because 1 plus 5, 6, 9, 15. So this number is divisible by 3. 1 3 is 3, 5 3s are 15, 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. Okay. Now 2 power n minus 1 equal to 512. So this is here we need the value of n. N is as a power of 2. Right? So this 512 also you consider as a power of 2. Okay. So this 2 power n minus 1 equal to 512. How you will write it? 512. Second table. 2 2s are 4. 5 2s are 10. 6 2s are 12. 2 1 2 8 2 6 4 2 3 2 2, 1, 6, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2. So here how you can write 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. That is 2 power n minus 1 equal to 2 power 9. Okay. Now base same. So it will be cancelled. So n minus 1 equal to n minus 1 equal to 9. N equal to 9 plus 1. So n equal to 10. Okay, n equal to 10. Now you can give the formula. What's the formula? Find the sum they asked. So sum of series, geometry series formula, Sn equal to a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Now we know the value of a, the value of r and n also. Just you apply that and get the value. That's all. That is equal to, the value of a is 3, r value 2 power, now what's the value of n? 10. 2 power 10 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. Okay. Now listen students, that is equal to 3 into 2 power 10. 2 power 10. 2 power 9, 512. Right? 2 power 9, 512. So it's enough to multiply one more 2 with 512. Right? So 512 into 2, that is 4, 2, 10. 1024. 1024 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1, 1. That is equal to 3 into 1024 minus 1 is 1023. Now this is equal to 3 into 1023. Multiply this. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 0, 3. This is the value of sum of this series. Sum of how many terms are there? N terms. So sum of these 10 terms are 3069. Here itself you write sum of this 10 because n value we got 10. So S10 equal to 3069. Do you understand? Only this series they given. From that series we can find the value of A and the value of R. But here this last term you consider nth term. So nth term of the geometric series is formula A into R power n minus 1. Using this formula you have to find the value of n. Then you apply all the values with this formula Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1 because they asked the sum of the geometry series. So using this formula you apply all these values, you will get 3069. This is the answer. Do you understand students? Okay. Now we are going to learn exercise 2.8 9th question. Read the question. Find the rational form of the number 0.123 bar. This question in the 9th standard we learn, right? Find the rational form of the number 0.123 bar. This one already in 9th standard we learned. Before that, what is the form of rational form? P by Q. Okay? P by Q. There Q is not equal to 0. We learned. Right? So, you have to change this number into this form. P by Q form. Q is not equal to 0. Okay? That's all. Now, the given number is 0.123 bar. That one you take x. Let x equal to 0.123 bar. Bar means, this 1, 2, 3 bar means 0.123, 123, 123, so on. Repeated numbers. 1, 2, 3 repeatedly will come. Okay, that is the meaning of this bar. Okay, now how you can write x equal to 0.123, 123, 123, so on. It will go like that. This one equation 1. Okay, next. Above the 1, 2, 3, 3 digit there, one bar is there, right? So here 3 digit, so you have to multiply here 1000x. Okay? Bar down, 3 digits are there, so you have to multiply by 1000. Now 1000x equal to 1000 into 0.x value 0.123, 123, 123, so on. Okay, when you multiply this number by 1000, 3 digit right side it will move there, isn't it? So how we will get 123.123, 123, 123, so on. Okay, this is equation 2. Equation 2. Okay, now also you are getting the decimal form only. What they say, the rational form, that is in the form of p by q. Okay, now you have to subtract equation 2 and equation 1. Equation 2 minus equation 1, because equation 2 is the highest value, right? So equation 2 minus equation 1, how we will get 1000x minus x equal to 123.123, etc. minus here minus, okay, 0.x value 1. What's the value of x? 0.123, 123, so on. So when you subtract these two values, what's the answer you will get? 123.123, 123, etc. and 0.123, 123. When you subtract means here decimal place everything will be cancelled. You will get 0.0. Here when you subtract 123 and 0 you will get 123. So 123.0 you can write 123. So 1000x minus x, what's the value? 1000x minus x, 999x. Do you understand, students? 999x. We know that if you find the value of x, it is in the form of rational. Okay. So x equal to say 123 divided by 999. Here this 999 is divisible by 3. At the same time 123 also divisible by 3. So you can cut by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. Here 4 3s are 12, 1 3 is 3. So the value of x equal to 41 by 333. X we consider 0.123 bar. That is in your question. Okay. So you can write 0.123 bar equal to 41 by 333. Do you understand? Previous class, that is 9th standard, we learned the same method. It's enough to do. Okay. So what's the question? Find the rational form of the number 0.123 bar. Rational form is P by Q form. Okay, you have to write 0.123 bar as P by Q form. Okay, for that first you take the given value as x equal to 0.123. Okay, then 3 bar. Bar means 1 2 3 bar means 1 2 3 repeatedly will come. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, so on. That is equation 1. Next, here 3 digits is in the bar, so 1000x. Suppose 2 digits in the bar, only 100x enough. 1 digit means 10x enough. 4 digit means 10,000x. Like that you have to consider. Okay, here 1, 2, 3 bar, so you have to write 1000x equal to 1000 into 0.123. When you multiply by 1000, 3 digits will move. It will come like this. Okay. Then you subtract equation 2 and 1. You will get like this. X equal 999 x equal to 123. When you simplify this one, you will get x equal to 41 by 333. We consider this x value is 0.123 bar. So 0.123 bar equal to 41 by 333. Here. Okay. Now exercise 2.8, 10th question. Read the question. If Sn equal to x plus y plus x square plus xy plus y square plus x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube plus etc. plus n terms, prove that x minus y into Sn equal to x square into x power n minus 1 divided by x minus 1 minus y square into y power n minus 1 divided by y minus 1. This is the question. You have to first, what is Sn? You write that one. Sn equal to x plus y into x square plus xy plus y square plus x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube plus etc. plus n terms. This is the question. You have to prove x minus y into Sn equal to x square into x power n minus 1 divided by x minus 1 minus y square into y power n minus 1 divided by y minus 1. For that, shall we take left hand side? You have to take left hand side and apply this Sn value, then simplify. Finally, you will get right hand side value, you will get, that is the proof. Okay, just simplification, that's all. So, shall we take left hand side? Let's. Left hand side LHS, what is that? X minus y into Sn. That is, you have to multiply x minus y by this Sn values. Okay. Now say that is equal to x minus y into x plus y. X plus y. Okay. Plus x minus y into second value what? Second, x square plus xy plus y square. Okay. Next, plus x minus y into this one. X cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube. So multiply plus etc. n terms. Okay. Next. Listen students, x minus y into x plus y. X minus y into x plus y. What's the formula you can remember here? A minus b into a plus b. What's the value? A square minus b square. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. You can apply that formula here. You will get x square minus y square. Separate. Okay. Next, this one. Which formula you can remember here? X minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. That is a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Right? Instead of a, here x is there. Instead of b, here y. Okay. So, what's the formula say? That is x cube minus y cube. Do you understand? X cube minus y cube equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay. Here we don't know the formula. So just you multiply by this values. Okay, so first you take x and multiply every term. Next you take y and multiply every term. That's all. Now multiply x into x cube, x power 4 plus x into x square y, x cube y plus x into x y square, x square y square. Okay, plus x into y cube, x y cube. Okay, next minus y. You multiply all this value by minus y. So say now minus x cube y minus y into x square y minus x square y square minus y into xy square minus xy cube minus y into y cube minus y power 4 plus etc. n terms. Okay, n terms. Now listen, this one you can write the same. X square minus y square. Here plus, so when you multiply here, the same value only will come. So you can remove the bracket. Plus x cube minus y cube. Okay. Next to you, listen students. Here you can cut any common values, means you can cut there. Okay. Here bracket. Now listen, x power 4. No, x power 4 here. X cube y minus x cube y. So x cube y minus x cube y will be cancelled. Next, x square y square minus x square y square. X square y square minus x square y square. Xy cube minus xy cube. Xy cube minus xy cube. Okay, plus etc. n terms. So here what is the remaining values? X power 4 minus y power 4. That's all. That is plus x power 4 minus y power 4 plus etc. to n terms. Okay. Now we separate this one. X square plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4 plus etc. to plus n terms minus commonly having, so minus y square plus y power 3 plus y power 4 plus etc. plus n terms. Now listen students, this is in the form of geometric series, right? Here what is the value of a in first series? What's the value of a? A equal to x square. A equal to x square. What's the value of r? Second term divided by first term, that is x cube divided by x square is r equal to x. This is in the first series. Next, second series, what's the value of a? The value of a is y square and the value of r is y. Okay. So shall we apply the formula Sn? Sn equal to a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Apply this formula. Okay. What's the value of a? What's the value of a? X square. X square into r power n. X power n minus 1. Okay. Divided by r minus 1. That is x minus 1. Minus. This minus. For this series, apply the formula. What's the value of a? Y square into r y power n minus 1 divided by r value y minus 1. Now check this is afterwards we have no simplification. So now you check this question. Will you get the right hand side? X square into x power n minus 1 divided by x minus 1 minus y square into y power n minus 1 divided by y minus 1. So you take left hand side, you got right hand side value. Okay. So that's the proof. That's the answer. Do you understand students? Okay. Thank you.